One.
I'm Vicky of Bundatrix, and today I'm going to talk about blindfolds. Blindfolds are a great fun way to take away your partner's sight during a scene which leaves them more vulnerable, so they're more dependent on what you're doing, but also sensations will feel more intense because they're not expecting them, they're not able to see and anticipate them, and you just feel more with your body if you're not using the sense of sight. When you're looking for a blindfold, it's going against the eyes, so preferably you want something that's nice and soft and padded so it'll be comfortable. No hard edges that are going to dig in around the face. Also one where, despite the padding, it's not going to press too hard on the eyeballs. If you're going to be wearing it for quite a while, you don't want pressure on the eyeballs themselves. So the ones I make at Bundatrix, when I put the padding in, I cut away where the eye sits, so it's padded nicely around the face without putting pressure on the eyes. Also think about how you're going to use it. So if you're going to lay back, you don't want one with a buckle right at the back of the head, that then when the person wearing it lays down, that digs into the back of the head. So I make these ones with a buckle at the side of the head, so that the buckle is out of the way. When you put the blindfold on, you want to make sure that it's reasonably tight so it won't slip off easily, but again not putting too much pressure or too much strain around the eyes, and making sure that it's not uncomfortable on the tops of the ears. A different style you might choose to go for is one with elastic or one with Velcro. So this one's nice and simple, it just wraps around and then you just use the Velcro to get a nice tight fit over the face. And this one being a slightly larger shape as well, it means there's less chance of seeing around the edges of the blindfold, and it's nice and padded all around the face.